So Microsoft might be stepping things up this year with more Surface devices than usual. And if the rumors are true, we're looking at some exciting additions to the lineup, both for everyday users and business pros. Let's break it down. Windows Central recently reported that Microsoft is gearing up to release smaller versions of the Surface Laptop and Surface Pro. These could very well be the successors to the Surface Laptop Go and Surface Go. Think of them as compact versions of their bigger siblings, but with the same premium design language we've come to expect from the Surface family. Now, here's where it gets interesting. These smaller Surface devices are rumored to feature Snapdragon X and Snapdragon X Plus chipsets. And according to the leaks, they could be arriving very soon, like within weeks. Meanwhile, Microsoft has a launch event lined up for January 30th, from 3 p.m. to 4 p.m. UTC. What's on the agenda? Well, Microsoft's Surface division has hinted at a major announcement tied to its For Business segment. Last year's January event gave us the Surface Laptop 6 for business and the Surface Pro 10 for business, both rocking Intel's Meteor Lake processors. ARM-based models, like the Surface Laptop 7 and Surface Pro 11, didn't show up until June. But this year, we might see Snapdragon X 2-powered updates later in 2025. So what's next? The Surface Laptop 8 and Surface Pro 12 are expected to debut at this event, with Intel's Core Ultra processors, like the Core Ultra 5 226V, Core Ultra 7 266V, and Core Ultra 7 268V, and configurations featuring up to 32 gigs of LPDDR5X RAM. Oh, and those sleek, slim bezels Microsoft teased last year, they're coming to the business editions too. Now, even though these are branded as for business, regular consumers should be able to grab them through Microsoft's online store. So whether you're looking for a workhorse for your job or just want the latest Surface tech, there's something to get excited about here. That's the lowdown for now. Don't forget to subscribe for all the latest Surface updates. Catch you in the next one.